Hi, welcome everyone in this new online principles video. My name is Borut, and in this video I would like to show you how you can make your sales pages even more interesting and engaging using floating videos. Now, if you still don't use video, you should do so as soon as possible because videos are more and more important every single year. Videos helps you get better conversion, and of course at the end you can sell more. Even if you don't want to be in front of the camera, you can still use some slides and you just use a voice over. Now let's jump in our Thrive Architect and let's see how this floating video works.
So floating videos are very useful when you have some very long sales page with a lot of supporting copy, like this one. And the main centerpiece is actually your video positioned at the top. So obviously you want the visitors to watch it, but chances are they will not watch it if they already passed the video. So one option would be to duplicate the video on multiple places. And the second option, which is a way better one, is actually using floating video. So every time a user will scroll down and start reading the sales copy, this small pop-up with the main video will appear. So there are more chances they will gonna play the video. I've picked this template as an example, but this could be easily applied to any web page that uses a video. So let's see how you can add the floating video to your web page. In your Thrive Architect, select the main video you want to change, and the main options will remain the same. So first you select the source. In my case, it is YouTube. You can also use Vimeo videos, Wistia, some external hosting video, or you can also use an uploaded video on your server. The second thing, it's a URL of your video, and all other things we can leave the same. So video style will remain the same. The new thing here is sticky float on scroll. So enable this, and this will open more options. So the first option here is the float position. You can choose top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and keep original position, which will just keep the left position of the main video, but will just present a smaller window. So let's select top left this time. So we're gonna preview this to see how it works, and the best way to do is to toggle the button view floating video in preview. So obviously now there is no changes, but if I scroll down, you will see that this small pop-up appears. We can change, let's say, a player width. You can select by pixels or percentage. I will leave pixels and let's say 600. Obviously it's slightly too big, but you get the point. We can also change the padding, top padding, left padding, and let's try another position, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and keep original position. As I told you before, it's on the same left position as the main one. So I'll make just slightly smaller again, because I guess it's too big. I'll leave top left. So you can also decide on which device you would like to show the floating videos. And as you can see, by default, the mobile version is disabled. I would not recommend using that, but I can show you how it looks like. So if I enable it and preview in mobile, when you scroll down, you will see that this floating video actually takes quite a big chunk of the mobile screen. So it's up to you, but I would not suggest it. So let's disable it. So another option here is to enable or disable the close button. So If I enable it, you can see when I scroll down, there will be a small X when the user can decide to actually close this floating video and continue with the reading. And the last thing we're gonna look at here are the advanced settings. So you have options for autoplay, but I will not recommend you because this will actually start the autoplay of the main video and also for the floating video, because it could be very distracting and annoying for your visitors. So toggle off. You can disable YouTube cookies if you are using YouTube, of course. Optimize related videos. This is just for the YouTube. Basically, we're gonna hide or show the related videos at the bottom. You can hide the player controls of your video. You can just hide the full screen mode, hide the logo, and you can choose also to choose a video thumbnail. With YouTube is gonna be your default one, but using others, I would highly recommend if you pick one very good eye-catching thumbnail to get them to press play.
Adding videos on your websites, landing page, sales pages, or blog posts will always help you get a better conversion, and floating video makes this even better. So if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're not gonna miss any new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.